As the robot walks along, one of his robot keys falls out of his back. This makes him break down. All the robot wanted was a friend. The robot has been laying on the floor for 10 minutes. After this time, the friend he was looking for came to his rescue. This friend was a yellow dog. His name was Barky. Barky likes to help people and make friends. He makes friends with the robot. As Barky approaches the robot, he sees the screw on the floor. He picks it up and assembles the robot and barks at the robot when he gets up. As the robot is now fixed, the sun starts to rise as the amount of happiness of the two friends is so high. This makes the sun really bright. Aww.